18 Google Drive tips you cannot afford to miss. Google Online Storage Service is a stellar file and sensing tool to begin with, but with these top tips, you will be to find out what it can do for you. Google Drive offer online file storage and similar to service like Dropbox and Microsoft OneDrive. The good news is if you have an account with Google, it comes with 15 GB of free storage and you can begin using it instantly. But Drive is a lot more than that. It is also the central hub for Google full online office sites, which includes docs, sheets, and slides, Google Online Word processor, and tools. And if you have a business paid account or have access to work at that same site, combo with a few extracts is called Google Workspace. To utilize Google Drive as the central repository for your office file, where you may find Google Drive leaking through is in that 50 GB, which can fill up fast because a number of other services share that space, including Google Photo and Gmail. Google stopped offering unlimited photo and drive storage last year. You can upgrade by subscribing to Google One, which upgrade your cloud storage to per month per year, and also through in some other extras such as a VPN. So those are the basic of Google Drive, but what you need are the secret, the tips and tricks that will drive your use of Drive to another level. Shortcut in window looks like a file say on your desktop that when clicked open a file that's actually stored. Google Drive no supports shortcuts short of if you have an item and want to store it in more than one drive folder, then you are creating a shortcut so there is no duplication. You can rename, move, or even delete a shortcut. It does not impact the original. If you do have a duplicate file in Google Drive, do not worry about fixing this yourself. Google is planning to do it for you, or you are starting sometime this year. In the meantime, to create a shortcut in your browser, go to Google Drive, right click the file or folder where you want to create the shortcut, click add shortcut to drive, select the location where you want to place the shortcut, click add the shortcut. You can drag file around in the Google Drive interface on your browser, but sometimes you want to avoid using the mouse as you go from folder to folder. In the case, you can use keyboard shortcuts to cut or copy a stored file, navigate to where you want it, and press Ctrl to paste it the same as you would in the Macos Finder or Windows Explorer. You will need a browser, Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge to make it work. If you want to link directly to a file in Google Drive, select it and hit Ctrl to copy, then go to your document or email or whatever and hit to paste in the document name with a full link to the include. Paste only the URL. Google Drive sends across devices, so you can start a project on the PC and pick it up on your phone, tablet or home laptop. Plus it work with any kind of document